Hello everyone, welcome to a new video on Hurricane Hilary. So, the storm has strayed into a Category 4. The winds are at 145 miles an hour and the minimum pressure is at 935 MB. New hurricane warnings and watches has been issued for northern Baja California, and a new tropical storm watch has been issued for northern Mexico. And also, for the first time ever, a tropical storm watch has been issued for Southern California. And here's the current track of the system. It shows the system skirting the west coast and making landfall in northern Baja California, and then moving inland as a weakening tropical storm around early Monday-ish, and then shows it dissipating somewhere in southern Nevada. Here's a current look at the system. It is starting to look more ragged in appearance due to a Iowa replacement cycle. You can see the outer eye wall is trying to interfere with the inner eye wall and forming a new eye wall as well. And typically with eye wall replacement cycles, the storm can weaken a bit, and the wind fields will extend out a little bit more. And after that, it is going to move to an increasing shear environment, which will start to weaken the storm a bit. Here's where the storm is. It has like a day before it moves into a cooler temperature environment. And these waters up here isn't very good for storms. And it'll weaken it more faster as well too. Here's the current shear environment. It is expected to move more in a pretty worse shear environment, like I said earlier, which will start to weaken the storm in as well, and will also move over here into more cooler waters, which will increase the weakening of the storm. Here's the GFS. It is well in line with the track forecast, and shows moving to Southern California. Here's the wind shear, like I said from earlier. It shows it moving to a pretty bad wind shear environment, and this wind shear though is pretty high, which will weaken the storm more, like I said. The European has not done a good job with initialization though, and as you can see, well, you can't really see it though. Let me do that real quick. It isn't doing a very good job though, because yeah, sorry about that. Here's the current excessive rainfall outlook though. There is a high risk of flash flooding, particularly in Southern California, and there is rainfall amounts up to 6 inches are possible in Southern California, particularly around here, and a bit more in the mountainous areas as well. And there is some flood watches in effect for Southern California and also in western Arizona and southern Nevada. So I'd advise to be careful on Monday when the storm comes in, and if you're in a flash flood warning, be careful. And if you see a flooded road, turn around, don't drown. And that's about it. So, see you guys tomorrow, and I'll make a new video on the storm.